How to set up subscription and reoccurring payments in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. So first, you simply just want to log into your Shopify store, go to the apps section and click on all recommended apps and click on Shopify App Store. From here, you simply just want to look up App Store subscription and you should be able to find this one right here. Simply click on install and click on install one more time. Now you are just going to click on I'm new here and ready to set up, and scroll down and click on Start Setup Wizard. First, you want to enable the app embed, so just click on this button right here, and once you're done, click on Next. Next up, you're going to pick a plan. We're just going to start out with the free plan, but you can actually compare all of them in here. But I'm just going to select the free plan and continue. Now, what you actually need to have is either Shopify payments if you're in the US, Canada, or UK, or you can just go in and set up one of those other providers that are available like Stripe and so on. So just make sure you have one of them at least, and once you're done, you simply just want to scroll down and create your first reoccurring plan. Click on Create Plan and click on Reoccurring Subscriptions. So we're just going to go ahead and give it a name, and then scroll down and add the different products that we want to have a subscription to it. So we can just click on Browse Products and select the products that we want and click on Add. And lastly, here we have the plan settings. So we just want to click on Customize and edit the plan settings real quick. So the most important setting here is going to be within the general. So we're just going to have it as pay as you go if you want it to be reoccurring. And we are just going to set up the frequency. So by default, it's going to be once per month, but we can just change that to twice a month or so on. And we can even change the month itself to become day, week, or even year. But I'm just going to leave it as this. And after that, you're going to have other things here that you can adjust, like offer incentives. If you want to add those, you can feel free to do this, because you're just going to really help people to get to subscribe because they're going to get offers out of it. And you also have more things here like the policies, offer trial, and so on. Those things you need to just go through and set up and click on done. Most of them are done for you, so just adjust the general stuff and click on done. Simply click on save once you're done with that. Now, one last thing we need to do is just go to the products that we added to our subscription, click on them, scroll down to the bottom almost where we should be able to find purchase options. And we just want to tick this box here, which is only sell this product with these purchase options. Click on save. And yeah, this is pretty much all we need to do to set up a subscription. There are extra things that you can do from the App Store app here. If you click on it, you're going to find more steps here to go through, like enable the customer portal, customize your widgets, and so on. So you can just feel free to go through them, but we have mainly done the main objective really, which is set up reoccurring payments and subscriptions. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.